Hi friends, welcome to Vern, Jack of all trades and master of none. Today we're gonna work on repurposing a kitty step stool. I think it's something that you can find a use for around the house when you just need an extra step up. So it's worth saving, worth repurposing. Okay, so we're gonna do the sanding and the repainting of that and take a look at on how that looks in this project. Okay, I'm going to start by giving it a light sanding. Not going to go crazy, just going to give it a quick light sanding. Nothing crazy, just sanding enough to give it a bite so the paint can bite on or something. So now that we've sanded everything, now we're going to paint. Just paint lightly. Cover everything. If we need to, we'll give it a second coat. If you notice, I keep moving, keep a good motion so it doesn't go on too thick. And it's okay to paint on the whole thing, paint the top. If you want to, you could tape it. You could put some painter's tape around this area if you want to keep that surface from being painted. For me, it's okay. One of the main things with this paint is to shake it. Make sure you shake it well. And just keep passing. You notice how I'm doing it. I'm not staying in one place too long. Okay, so we'll let that dry and then we'll come back and take a look. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notification when I release another video.